Hello everyone, this is Thamang and today I am going to discuss about the major physiographic divisions of India. And you already know that India has six major physiographic divisions. They are number 1, the Himalayan Mountain, number 2, the Northern Plain, number 3, the Indian Desert, number 4, the Peninsular Plateau, number 5, the Coastal Plain, and number 6, the Islands. These were the six major physiographic divisions of India. Now we will discuss one by one. First, the Himalayan Mountain. The length of the Himalayan Mountain, that is 2400 kilometer, and breadth of the Himalayan Mountain, it varies from Arunachal Pradesh to Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir it is 400 kilometer breadth, and in Arunachal Pradesh it is only 150 kilometer. Now we will discuss about the divisions of Himalaya. Himalaya can be divided into two parts. Firstly, that is the Trans Himalaya and the main Himalaya. The Trans Himalaya, also called the Outer Himalaya, Trans Himalaya consisted of many ranges. Range means here the group of mountain or the chain of mountain, and the Trans Himalaya consisted of the range Karakoram Range, Ladakh Range, Jaskar Range, and the Kailash Range. And at the same time, you also keep in your mind that the world's second highest peak, that is the Godwin Austen or K2, it is also in the Karakoram range, that means the part of the Trans Himalaya. Now the main Himalaya can be divided into two ways, that is the north-south division and another one the east-west division. First, north-south division of the main Himalaya, you follow the arrow and after that the line beginning from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. First, main Himalaya, north-south division, that is the Himadri. Himadri, also called the Greater Himalaya and also called the Inner Himalaya. And this part of the Himalaya is almost covered by snow. And Himadri, this is the most continuous range. And world highest peak, for example, the Mount Everest, 8848-meter height. And secondly, the third highest peak of the world, Kanchenjunga, both we find in Himadri, or you can say the Inner Himalaya, or you can say the Greater Himalaya. And secondly, the Himachal, you follow the arrow and after that the line. Himachal, that is not the continuous one, the line is disconnected in the middles. And Himachal, it is famous for some important tourist sport, for example Nainital, Ranikhet, Mussoorie. These are the famous tourist spots, and these are all in the Uttarakhand. Okay, and after that, last one is the Shivalik, also called the outermost range of the main Himalaya. And this Shivalik is famous for some dunes. Dunes means here the longitudinal valleys with alluvial deposit, that is called dunes. And the example of the dunes are Kotli Dune, Potli Dune, and at the same time Dehraduns. Okay, Dehradun. Now Himalaya is extended towards the east also, and eastern extension of the Himalaya is called the Purvanchal Hill or the Eastern Hill. And Purvanchal Hill and the Eastern Hill are the Patkai Hill, Naga Hill, Mizo Hill, and at the same time Garo Hill, Khasi Hill, Jaintia Hill. These are the eastern extension of the Himalaya. Now we will discuss the east-west division of the Himalaya. And east-west division of the Himalaya, it is divided on the basis of the rivers. East-west division of the Himalaya, you see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 indicates line number 1. You see the line, red lines over there. Number 1 indicates red line number 1, and number 2 indicates line number 2, number 3 indicates line number 3, and number 4 indicates line number 4. It's for your easiness. And in between the line number 1 and line number 2, there is the Kashmir Himalaya, and it is also called the Himachal Himalaya, and it is also called the Punjab Himalaya. And this part of Himalaya, it is in between two rivers, Indus and the Satluj river. And after that, between the line number 2 and line number 3, there is the Kumaon Himalaya, or this part of the Himalaya is called the Kumaon Himalaya, and this Himalaya is in between the two rivers, river Satluj and river Kali. And after that, in between line number 3 and line number 4, there is the Nepal Himalaya, and this Nepal Himalaya is in between the rivers Kali and river Tista. And after that, in between the number or the line 4 and after that onwards, the Assam Himalaya, and Assam Himalaya, it is in between the river Tista and river Dihang in Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you.